guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create bikinis on Dress to Impress. So first of all, we will need to use the Sabrina Carpenter outfit, and I'm just going to toggle it to the second one, and I'm just going to make the pattern matte, the material, I keep mixing it up, sorry. And you're just going to use a pattern, or you can use any color that you would like to for the bikini. I think I'm just going to use this one. And then the second color, you can either use the same thing, or you can like change the color to your skin tone, which I'm doing right now. This looks already good as a one-piece set, but to make it a bikini, you're just going to use this set here and toggle it to just the top one, and make the material matte. Then you're going to color the first one the color of your skin tone, and the second one the same as your pattern, like so. You can add more stuff to cover the fact when you like walk it shows, maybe like some pants, but like that kind of defeats the purpose of it being a bikini. I'm just going to add some sandals here. You can obviously add more accessories to this look, like some stuff in the VIP here. We don't have to, obviously. Maybe I'll color that instead. Something like that. Add some like glasses here and whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!